Good morning, traders. This is Brad Matheny. Yesterday, I tried to post a video showing this beautiful flag formation and the breakout that was setting up right here on the daily chart. But I made an error in the video contents, which blocked it from being viewed on TradingView. So I'm going to try again and post a video that is clean for everyone to understand. Now, we just got CPI data, beautiful big CPI data. Yesterday, I highlighted that the move is setting up in a beautiful flagging formation A, B, C, D. We had rotation, and now we get the breakout. We've got to get above these previous highs, yes. So understand that, yes, this is a critical level right here. And let's just highlight this as a big resistance area for the market, which I believe will be blown through in a very aggressive move to the upside. And I believe the NAS 100, is going to target this 18,879 to 18,000, call it 925 area, and then move up to this 19,000, roughly 350 to 19,400 area. I believe long term that the markets are really quite powerful in an upward trend and structurally must complete a big upward leg before we're going to get any kind of a major pullback. Now, I know there's a ton of people that disagree with me, and that's fine. Everybody can have their own opinion. No problems. That's what this is all about. I just want you to be aware that mechanically, structurally, based on Fibonacci theory and a lot of other technical analysis, as well as fundamental dynamics at play in the global markets, it is my opinion that we're looking at a very strong upward trend. Now, something I looked at yesterday, which I didn't get to comment about, is this unusual, not really unusual, it is a carryover of trend. So we had this trending cycle from way back here in 2021, right? This is the peak. I drew these lines. I like to draw them out a little bit as a one standard deviation move and then a two standard deviation move. And then we had this pullback. We started basing bottoming off of it. Now I drew these charts yesterday. I drew the green lines as the range, the upper and lower range. I drew the blue line here in the middle as the middle level. And then I drew these outer 1x, roughly 1.5x standard deviation moves. So these are just hand drawn. And all I'm doing is going off of these closes, looking for support, copying the line, moving them across highs, looking for resistance. And what's interesting is look at the slope of these lines carrying down to these lines here. They're the same angle, pretty much the same angle. I mean, yeah, maybe 2 or 3 degrees difference in upward sloping right here versus right here, but it's like we're getting a carryover of this previous type of trend upward expansion. Now, my target areas right now are up into this upper area, but we could see an expansion move. I mean, I really, this might seem really odd, but we could see an expansion move if we get into a big rally phase after the election, maybe rolling into this election kind of sideways, we could get an expansion move back into this area. We really could see a big, bold move to the upside, representing a almost 60% upside move. And it appears that this is very likely as long as we stay up above this upper channel. So we need to get up above theoretically this level. Try to make this a little bit different color. We need to get up above this green level here to build enough support to rally up into this area. So again, be aware. Lots of bullish activity setting up. Very hard for me to try to be a bear right now. Very hard for me to be concerned about market tops and or rollovers, given what I understand in the global market dynamics. It is very clear to me that we are moving up and we are going to move up for at least another 3 or 4 years. Okay, guys, that's it. Talk to you later.